I'm Dan Kellner. I'm a mussel biologist here with the St. Paul District, Regional Planning and Environment Division North. We're in Upper Pool 2 in St. Paul, Minnesota. There is a pretty good mussel resource that exists in this part of the river up here. So we want to check out the area with divers to see if there's a potential for federally listed mussel species to occur in the area, and do what we can to alleviate any impacts from the project that may occur. The diver came up after a 15-minute search, and this is what he collected. So now we'll sort them to species, and we'll count them and measure the largest and the smallest individuals to get a length and age range of the species. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 different live species. 4 of them are really common in the Mississippi River. These 2 individuals are more rare. This is called the pistol grip, and it's threatened in Minnesota. And this is called the spike. It's a species of special concern for Minnesota.
I'm Megan McGuire, and I work for the St. Paul District of the Corps of Engineers. This project is part of the Navigation and Ecosystem Sustainability Program, NESP, and it's in partnership with the City of St. Paul along with other partners. This is a backwater area that was artificially expanded or altered at some point in the past, but has since been filling in with sediment. And so the goal is to dredge some of it deeper, make sure it stays connected to the river and doesn't get closed off. So there's a lot of different kinds of wetland vegetation that we'd like to see here, and a lot of that is driven by the depth of the water. So by reshaping it, we can try to target different wetland communities and have a diversity of wetland types within this small footprint.